Why I was out of the screen. Oh my
Okay,
God.
Because I will explain something for them.
Okay, I will explain to you guys. Give me more time, okay? Don't kick me out. Because the only time we do buy one, take one is during our live. So, nag-intend kami ng 2 hours live since a while ago. Yes, it's good for acne because as I've told you before, marami akong pimples and may mga marks. So, nung ginamit ko to, personal testimony ko is agad siyang nagda-dry sa akin. Ngayon, 3 days na lang, nagda-dry na yung pimple sa akin. Hindi na siya lumalaki. Kasi melasma, yes. We also, but for melasma, lalo na yung mga, deep na yung melasma, hindi ito makakayanan ng mabilisan ha. So, kailangan talaga consistently kasi nga para yung prebiotics, i-feed ng i-feed ang